स्कुलांनी कावन्सिलर नेमपाविशीं शिक्षण संचालकान आर्च डायोसिजन एज्युकेशन बोर्डाचेर केल्ल्या विधानाची राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेसीन खर दखल घेतल्या. शिक्षण संचालकान माफी मागची अशी मागणी ट्राजन डिमेलोन केल्या. आपल्याक जाय तो कावन्सिलर नेमून सरकार ल्हान भुरग्यांक RSSचे शिक्षण दिवंक सोदता असो आरोप ट्राजनान केला.
सरकारान स्कुलां खातीर 61 कावन्सिलर नेमल्यात, पूण डायसोसेन सोसायटी कायमस्वरुपी कावन्सिलर स्वता नेमूंक सोदता. कायमस्वरुपी कावन्सिलर दिवप शक्य ना अशें शिक्षण संचालक अनिल पवारान स्पश्ट केल्लें. ताचेर राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेसीन दखल घेतल्या. शिक्षण संचालक शिक्षण मंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकाराची उतरां उलयता असो आरोप राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेसीन केला.
Strongly condemns the utterances made by the education director in a section of the press saying that the AB institutions are pampered. The education director should study the constitution and understand that the minority institutions in the educational front are protected in terms of employment of their staff. And after studying this, he should make an unconditional apology. This is a strategy of the government to put in their counselors so that they catch children when they are young and indoctrinate in them or imbibe in them the RSS communal culture and destroy the secular fabric of the state in future.
सुशांत पळ प्रुडंटा खातीर.
गोंय सरकारान वालंकेणी वाठारांत यात्री निवास बांदचो अशी मागणी सांत आंध्रेचो आमदार विष्णू वाघान केल्या. वालंकेणी सायबिणीच्या दर्शना खातीर दर वर्सा लाखांनी गोंयकार वालंकेणी वतात. तांचे खातीर हे यात्री निवास बांदचे अशी मागणी करपी चीट आमदार वाघान मुख्यमंत्र्याक बरयल्या. कला अकादमीन मोबायल फोन फोटो सर्ती आयोजीत केल्या.
8 सप्टेंबराक जावपी वालंकिनी सायबिणीच्या फेस्ताक वचपी गोंयकारांक थंयचे हॉटेलवाले लुटतात. त्या खातीर गोंय सरकारान यात्री निवास बांदचो अशी मागणी आमदार विष्णू सुर्या वाघान केल्या.
I have written to Honorable Chief Minister of the State to take immediate steps so as to set up a Yatri Niwas in the city of Valankini so that people from Goa can get accommodation at nominal rates.
गोंय कला अकादमीन चौथी निमतान आरती संग्रह आनी सीडी काढल्या. कला अकादमीचो अध्यक्ष आमदार विष्णू सुर्या वाघान तांचे विमोचन केले.
खास ह्या गणेश चतुर्थी खातीर आरती संग्रह आनी एक गाण्यांची सीडी अशी प्रकाशीत केल्ली आसा. तेजे वितरवणी अख्खे गोंय बरें जातली थ्रू आमचे MLAs आसा किंवा ZP आहा ह्या सगळ्या मार्फत आमी गोंयभर ते पावोवपाचे प्रयत्न करतले.
गोंय कला अकादमीन गोवा फोटो जर्नलिस्ट असोसिएशनाच्या आदारान मोबायल फोन फोटो सर्त आयोजित केल्या.
To have mobile phone photography competition. So this is a new type of competition that we are trying to introduce, and of course this is going to be the season 1 of it. This is not the end, but many more contests will come. So Kala Academy Goa has tied up with the Photo Journalists Association of Goa. Kailas Naik, the president, is already here. So the theme of this contest is going to be the moods of festivity.
प्रुडंटा खातीर देवेंद्र गांवकार.
गोंयची रणजी मोसमा खातीर तयारी सुरू जाल्या. आमच्या पंगडाची बॅटिंग बरी आसा, पूण फास्ट बॉलिंग मातशी फ्राक आसा अशें नवो कोच नुवान जोयसाक दिसता. फास्ट बॉलिंग घटमूट करपा हेतान गरज पडली जाल्यार गोंया भायलो वेवसायीक खेळगडो हाडटले अशें श्रीलंकेचो आदलो फास्ट बॉलर म्हणटा.
Looking at the departments, we have bowling, batting and the all-rounders. Do you think any department needs more strengthening by signing a professional player from any other state of India?
Look, I think our batting is quite good. I can really say batting is quite good and strong, including experience and the youngsters. They played in Bangalore as well as Mohindula tournament, which we played a few days ago. Batting-wise, I'm happy, but spinners also, we have got good spinners, Chakati and Yadav and young Bisal, so it's quite good, but I'm a bit worried about fast bowling, which is my department and I was playing. So I'm not saying we don't have, but they have in one limit. That's a problem. They don't like to push more. They get sort of, they keep everything tight and they're not expressing themselves. So it has to come from me. So I'm quite happy to work with them. As well as talking about talent, Goa, to be honest, it's quite a small city compared to other states, and talent also a bit limited.
Right.
So hopefully we want to push these guys, or maybe have to bring probably one bowler who have a bit of fast bowler.
Maybe you could roll your arm.
I'd love to, but I haven't done any fitness so far.
Right.
Thinking of cricket, so yeah, that was a sort of the thing on the table at the moment. We'll see what we can do, but hopefully I have good faith in our fast bowling group. It's about working with these guys and put them in a good place.
Right. You have a couple of comeback men in this squad, Amit Yadav and Ganesh Raj Narvekar. They missed cricket due to various reasons last season. So how are you handling them?
Look, I don't know about their private lives and all what happened and all these things. Each player for me it's same, and I hope they'll play good cricket with a lot of practice.
Right.
They look promising, absolutely promising. The two are good. One is leg spinner and one is off spinner. Tall boy is Yadav. Yeah. And look, they had to perform those matches and practice. They had to show interest, keenness, and to show hunger more or less to see I want to play. So that's sort of thing I want from each and everybody from Goa team. So not just to be happy, just play and go. To learn something and to encourage others. Doesn't matter senior or youngster. So they have to stay together, gel together, and see we have to play good season this year rather playing just 9-8 games and go home. That's not good. We want to achieve something for these coming 2 years.
इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.